Cardano is on fire. ADA is pumping, and it's been another huge week for Cardano and crypto this week, including bullish news on Cardano ETFs, midnight US interest rates, and some huge ADA whale activity. I'm Lily Brody, and this is Cardano Wins of the Week. Cardano futures hit an all-time high. Cardano is making headlines as ADA futures trading volume has surged to 6.96 billion, the highest it's ever been in 5 months. For those who don't know, crypto futures allows investors to speculate the future price of a cryptocurrency without having to actually own the tokens. That's why the 6.96 billion ADA futures surge is such a big deal, as it shows extremely bullish sentiment around Cardano amongst institutional investors and retail traders. The talk around a potential Cardano ETF is a huge factor in this pump, and traders are literally throwing their liquidity into Cardano. This is a big win, but it's not the biggest win. So go grab your monsters, check the charts, and come back because there's way more bullish news to come. Whales go all in on ADA. According to crypto analyst Ali Charts, 150 million ADA has been accumulated by crypto whales in the last 2 weeks, showing serious confidence in Cardano and where it's headed. Who are these whales? To be honest, with everything that's happening with Cardano right now, I'm not surprised. Biggest crypto airdrop launches. The Midnight Glacier drop, the biggest cross-chain airdrop that crypto has ever seen, is live. If you held $100 worth of either ADA, Bitcoin, XRP, Sol, ETH, BNB, BAT, or AVAX in a self-custody wallet on June the 11th when the snapshot was taken, you can claim Night. 1.6 billion tokens have already been claimed, and the Night redemption period,
the time it actually takes for the tokens to get into your wallet once you've claimed,
is around 90 days, so you still have time to claim. You can watch my video here on how to claim Night and head over to the Midnight website to make your claim. It's literally free crypto for holding crypto. I'm seriously bullish on Midnight for bringing privacy completely cross-chain and for everything that it's doing for Cardano. Markets surge as Jerome Powell signals interest rate cuts. Markets surged this week as US Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell signaled September interest rate cuts to reduce the growing risks to employment and the economy in the US. Immediately after the announcement, Bitcoin jumped back 2% above 114k, and Ethereum pumped by 8%, and the US stocks absolutely soared. With more liquidity in the system, there's more capital to flow right back into crypto. As September is literally only around the corner, this could be the catalyst for more surges to come. What a win and a great opportunity to lock in. Cardano reaches 15 billion ADA holder milestone. According to CoinCentral, Cardano has hit a major milestone with over 15 billion ADA being held for over a year. On top of that, Cardano has surpassed 5.5 million wallets, a clear signal of growing adoption and long-term confidence in the ecosystem. The people are bullish on ADA. Cardano showed up at Rare Evo. The Cardano community absolutely smashed it at Rare Evo in Las Vegas with big names such as IOHK, Midnight, Anvil, Atrium, Stuff.io, and more showing up. Rare Evo used to be a Cardano-centered event, but this year there were way more other chains there, including Midnight, Solana, Algorand, and many more, to emphasize how Cardano is really going cross-chain. Myself and the Catadaddy Media team were there to highlight the event, and the Rare Evo team absolutely killed it this year. 10 out of 10 would recommend. It's my favorite crypto event to go to, and tickets are already available for next year if you want to go, and the prices are probably the cheapest that they're ever going to be. So go to the website and get your ticket for next year and thank me later. And now it's time for the biggest win of the week. Grayscale signals Cardano spot ETF with Cardano Trust filing. Grayscale has officially registered a Cardano Trust ETF in Delaware, signaling that they may be preparing to launch the first ever US spot Cardano ETF. This filing comes right after they converted their large cap digital fund, which included Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano, into a spot ETF. A dedicated Cardano spot ETF would give ADA its own direct investment funnel to TradFi players such as pension funds, asset managers, and family offices. That's a massive potential pipeline of capital, allowing investors to invest into Cardano without needing to touch Cardano wallets or exchanges and having to know everything there is about the ecosystem. All I can say is strap in. Now over to Chadley with the chart. Yeah, ADA is currently bouncing between 91 and 92 cents. It has dropped by over 3% in the last week. But with everything that's happening in Cardano, I'm confident that much higher is upon us. Not financial advice. Bullish! And that's it for Cardano wins of the week. What a week. There were so many wins. If I missed any wins, let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest Cardano news and crypto content. And I'll see you absolute legends next week.